Hello friends, welcome back to Restart UPSC. So far we have solved 7 questions in the previous video and we'll be solving remaining 7 questions in this video. Now, let's go to the question. P is equals to 40% of A plus 65% of B and Q is equals to 50% of A plus 50% of B, where A is greater than B. In this context, which of the following is correct? Now, I'll take, let A is 120 and B is 100, simply for our calculation purpose. So what will be the P value? 40% of A, that means 40% of 120, that is 48, plus 65% of B, that means here B is 100, right? That means 65. What will get? 113. And similarly, Q value, it is 50% of A plus B. What is A plus B? 220, and 50% will be 110. Alright? Now, let's see this. Here, we are getting P greater than Q, and I'll take other value. Let A is equals to 200 and B is equals to 100. Right? No. What is 40% of 200? 80 plus 65% of 100. That is 65. This 145 and Q 50% of both A plus B. What is A plus B? 300. 50% will be 150. Here see. Here we are getting Q greater than P. Right? So statement 1, it is not always correct. Statement 2 is also not always correct. And C, statement C is telling P is equal to Q. Here we are getting greater, here we are getting lesser. So this also can't be the answer. It is can be none of the above can be concluded with certainty. Right? Answer is T. Let's go to the next question. In a city, 12% of households earn less than 30,000 per year. 6% households earn more than 2 lakh per year. 22% households earn more than 1 lakh per year. 990 households earn between 30,000 and 1 lakh per year. How many households earn between 1 lakh and 2 lakh per year? See. What is telling? 12% less than 30k and 6% more than 2 lakhs and 22% more than 1 lakh. Right? But if we see clearly, this 6% is already included in this 22%. Who are earning more than 1 lakh means who are earning more than 2 lakhs also are included in this. Right? No. Again, he has given 990 people earn between 30k and 1 lakh. 12%. Right? Here 22%, and this 6% is already included in 22%, so we are not taking. How much? 34%, right? And this is 34%, and the rest value will be 66%, right? Means the people who are earning between 30,000 and 1 lakh are 66%. He has given the value 990. Sorry, given value 990. Now, what is asking? How many people are earning between 1 lakh and 2 lakh? That means what? Between 1 lakh and 2 lakh, right? How many people are earning more than 1 lakh? 22%, right? And in that we have to minus this 2 lakh, 6% people. Why? Because they are earning more than 2 lakhs. How much it will become? 16%. And what has given? 66% value is equals to 990, right? From this one, the people who are earning between 30,000 and 1 lakh are 990 people, and this value we are getting 60% of people, right? And here we need 60% value. Let's check this is x. Now after cross multiplication we will get into 990 by 66. This value 11 9 ja 1190 ja 6 and 6 10 right. What will be the answer? 240. Right. Let's go to the next question. A student has to get 40% of marks to pass in the examination. Suppose he gets 30 marks and fails by 30 marks. Then what are the maximum marks in the examination? Just take total marks will be X, right? How much is secured? 30 marks plus how many marks? With how many marks he has failed? This 30 marks. So then only this value will be equal to 40% of total marks, that is 40% of X. Now see, 60% is equals to 40 by 100 into X, right? This is 4, 15. What will be X? 150. Right? Very simple. Let's go to the next question. A person bought a refrigerator worth 22,800 with 12.5% interest compounded yearly. At the end of first year, he paid 8,650 rupees, and at the end of second year, he paid 9,125 rupees. How much will he have to pay at the end of third year to clear the debt? Okay. What is total cost? 22,800 rupees, right? No. What is the compound interest on 22,800? The interest is 25%. This is for first year by 100 into 22,800. Now, after calculating, we'll get 2,850 rupees. And then after paying 1 year of compound interest, how much amount is pending? See, end of first year, he has to pay 22,800 rupees is the total cost, plus this is the interest 2,850 rupees, right? We have to add this, and how much he paid in the first year? This much amount he paid as installment. So what is the pending amount? 17,000 rupees, right? In the second year, what happens? We have to calculate compound interest on the remaining pending amount, that is 17,000 rupees, right? Now, what is the compounding interest? Simply, we'll take how much pending after second year, right? This second year pending, right? How much will be pending? This 17,000 rupees, plus we have to pay interest on this, that means 12.5 by 100 into 17,000. And how much he paid? This much amount he already paid, 9,125. Calculating 17,000 plus the interest value is 2,125 minus 9,125. Exactly 10,000 rupees is pending after second year. But this is not the answer, because for the third year also we have to pay compound interest, right? What will be third year pending? This amount 10,000 rupees plus compound interest on 10,000 rupees. This is not the answer, right? Please don't after getting this answer in a hurry we'll mark 10,000 rupees. But no, even for the third year also we have to pay compound interest, right? That means 10,000 plus 12.5 by 100 into, that is 10,000 plus 1280. What is the answer? 1150. Alright. This is the answer. C. UPSC has given cleverly 10,000 rupees in the options also. Okay. We should not get into that type of UPSC. Right. Now let's go to the next question. When a runner was crossing 12-kilometer mark, she was informed that she had completed only 80% of race. That means 80% is equals to 12 kilometers. How many kilometers was the runner supposed to run in this event? What is 100% value? Let this be x. X into 80 is equals to 100 into 12. Alright. This 4 2 is 4 3 is 2 5 is x is equals to 15 kilometers. The answer is 15 kilometers. Right? Very simple question. Let's go to the next question. Raju has 9,000 rupees with him and he wants to buy a mobile handset, but he finds that he has only 75% of amount required to buy the handset. That means what? 75% value is equals to 9,000 rupees, right? And what is the cost of phone? 100%. That means how much amount? Now by cross multiplication we get 9,000 into 100 by 75, right? This 15 5 is 15 6 600 by 20 is. What is the cost? 12,000 rupees. He borrows 2,000 rupees from friend. He already has 9,000 rupees and he borrows 2,000 rupees. How much he has now? 11,000 rupees. What is the cost of phone? This cost of phone. It is 12,000 rupees. That means still he has less than the amount of cell phone, right? No, let's see the option. Raju still does not have enough amount to buy the headset. Yeah, this is the answer. Raju has exactly same amount as required by the headset. No, Raju has enough amount to buy the headset and he will have to, and he will have 500 rupees with him after buying the headset. No, this is wrong. Raju has enough amount to buy the headset and he will have 1,000 rupees with him after buying the headset. No, answer is A. He does not have sufficient amount. No. Let's go to the next question. In an examination, A has scored 20 marks more than B. Okay. If B has scored 5% less marks than A, how much has B scored? See, what is telling? B scored 20 marks less than A, and he is telling B scored 5% marks less than A. See, he's telling A has scored 20 marks more than B. I'm telling what? B scored 20 marks less than A, and he's telling B has scored 5% less marks than A. Right? That means simply 5% is equals to 20% marks, right? Sir, 5% marks are equal to 20 marks, right? And what is asking? How much B scored? That means, see, 5% marks is equals to 20 marks. Then, what is 100% marks? X is equals to 100 into 20 by 5. Before the total marks are 400. These are the marks scored by A. Now, what is telling? How many? He is asking what? How many marks did B scored? That means, if A scored 100% marks, how many B would have scored? 5% less, right? Means 95%. We need B marks. That means 400 into 95 by 100. Cancel. That is 380 marks. Answer is 380. Okay. See, this is the main logic in the question. He's telling B scored 20 marks less than A and B scored 5% less marks than A. That means this 5% is equals to 20 marks. Now we have equated 5% is equals to 20 marks. That means now we are calculating what will be the value of 100% marks. The 100% marks will be the marks scored by A, and we have calculated how many marks did A scored, and the score of B will be what? He scored 5% less, that means 95% marks of A. And we have calculated 90%, 95% marks of A. We are getting 382. Right? Hope you understood the question. Okay, friends. This will be the last question for this video. And we will meet in the next video. Thank you, friends.